Riding backwards or riding fakie is another very basic step in learning BMX freestyle tricks. For me, it's one of the things that I enjoy the most about riding a bike. Although it's very perplexing to a lot of people. It's just not a very natural motion, especially once you've spent so many years learning how to ride a bike forwards. A lot of people just don't understand the whole concept of riding backwards. And there's a couple of things that you should keep in mind when you're doing that. You want to make sure that your weight distribution is central, and you also want to make sure that you keep in mind that essentially when you're rolling backwards, all of a sudden your bike is steering very differently, because rather than steering from the front and having the front wheel leading the back wheel around, all of a sudden you're steering from essentially your back wheel. And so as you turn, you're not only turning basically the opposite of the way that you do when you're rolling forward, but any sort of motions that come through the front end are going to affect the way that your bike turns much faster. For example, if you watch and you're rolling, if you turn, your bike turns very gently. Whereas if you're riding backwards, you do that and all of a sudden your bike is sideways. And you have to make sure that you're not making any sudden movements, and that you have a nice central weight distribution over the bike. Because basically riding fakie is one of the most necessary tricks, or I guess types of maneuvers that you can learn on a BMX bike. And once you have fakie skills mastered, it opens up a whole new realm of tricks that you can start experimenting with. Here, I'll show you how it works right now.